Hello guys, I have a brand new update for you. This is another platform where you can put your money to work, and it's just like the DSP free platform I've always showed you guys. I've always talked about. DSP has been very reliable and a long-term platform. They've been paying for the past 3 months, and it's a very nice one. So this is like a replica of it, and they are also good. And I'm just going to be showing you how you can set up your profile and how you can make deposits and put your money to work. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you've always wanted to know how to make some extra cash online daily, then smash the subscribe button because you are on the right spot. Smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload another brand new update again. So let's go into today's video. Alright guys, like I said earlier on, this platform is just like the DSP platform, and the DSP platform has been very reliable. Paying for about 3 months now, and if you took the advantage, if you took this risk earlier when I posted this like in 3 months ago, by now you should be at, I think you should be in about you should have completed your 360% profit. And if you're a real risk taker, you should have reinvested and make, I think, double or triple of that sum. So in this video I'll be showing you how the DMM functions. It has similarities like the other one I'm talking about. So the video I did on the DSP, I'm going to leave the link in the description. You can go down below and check it out if you want to. DMM has similarities in the functions, and even with the interface of the site, it's almost the same thing. So I'm just going to show you things you need to do here that are not there, so that you can know how to make use of the platform and make some extra cash online also. But before I go any further, I want to make this clear: this is not a financial advice. These are just tutorial videos, they are educational videos, not a financial advice. Make sure you do your own research, your thorough research, before you put your money into anything online. Now let's just go straight into what I want to show you. So the first thing I want you to do is, after you sign up, and before you sign up, there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, you click on it. It's going to take you to a page where you register. You put in your number, your email, sorry. You put your email, you put in your password and a security password. You need to create a security password in order for you to be able to send out your funds from this platform. So once you do that, once you're done, you'll be able to have access to the page, this particular page you're seeing right now, and you can be able to do every other thing on this platform. So now, before we go any further, I want you to, first of all, let's go to our profile by clicking up here, your top left. You click it, you then click on this first one, which is my profile. You click on it here. Okay, I think I'm supposed to change this to English. Change this to English over here. Click down here. Okay, now everything is back to English. So I'm going to sign in again quickly. Okay, I don't want you to. Excuse me. All right, so now everything is back to English right now. So what we need to do, like I said, you click on this top here, over here. Let's click over here. Click here, then you can go ahead to your profile. Click it, you can see my profile. You click on my profile. Now the first thing I would like you to do before you go any further is putting in your WhatsApp number. Let me just click here, put my WhatsApp number. No, I don't want to use that number, but make sure you use this format. It is shown over here. You need to pay attention to this. Pay attention to what they showed you here. Look at the format given to you here. You need to, instead of putting the plus in front of your number, you just put a 0. So let's just go with whatever they want us to do. So I put 0, 22955, 231,790. Okay, that's it. Then I go to my Telegram address, which is this Auburn Time, Tech. Okay, now submit for review. The next thing to do is to submit for review. Over here, click on submit for review. Go submitted successfully. So now we can go back and do whatever we are supposed to do, and which is the next thing we have to do is to deposit on this platform in order for us to buy a miner and activate the account. So what I'm going to be doing now is to click on deposit. After clicking on deposit, we have, like, I think 3 different crypto you can use in depositing on this platform. Just like the DSP I told you, you can use either you choose the USDT, or you choose the Doge, or you use the TRX Tron. So right now I think I have Doge in my wallet. I want to use Doge, so I click on Doge, and let me tell you the minimum you can deposit here, because the minimum miner you can buy starts with 100 Doge. So I'm going to be putting an 100 Doge right here, right now, to be able to buy a miner. So let me just copy this address over here. Then I have to go to my wallet. Check my Trust wallet over here. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, yeah, I have some Doge here. So I have to send out then I paste the wallet address I copied over here. I put in 100. Then I click continue. Okay, then confirm. Put in my code. I just have to wait a little bit for this 100 Dodge to be deducted from my wallet. I just have to wait for this to be deducted, and I can go back to the site. All right, the 100 Dodge has been deducted from our wallet. So let's go back to the platform. So it is said that once you get back here, after 3 minutes, you can refresh the page. All right, just refresh the page here, and I just got my 100 Dodge right on my balance. So what I need to do now is to go to the where I can buy the miner, which is okay. Now you can see in my wallet I have the 100 Dodge available over here on my balance. So now what I need to do is go to the miner where I'm going to buy, which is down over here, the second icon from your left, the second icon down. Then you click on it. Okay, so now here we are. I want to buy this miner because that is the minimum we can start with over here. So all I need to do is click on buy now, which is over here. Let's go and check it out. Buy now. I'll click it. Okay. Excuse me. Dodge, yes, yes. Then we agree over here. Click down here to agree. Okay. Dodge payment. All right. Yes, just one we're purchasing, and good to go. Now this is what I'm going to be making a day. You need to understand this too. A day per hour, I'm making this Dodge per hour. That's making total of I think 3 Dodge in a day. So that's what I'll be making a day, and I can withdraw severally. So all I need to do is buy now. Click buy now, and I need to the password I told you you're going to put a password, your security password. I'm going to put mine in here now. Then I confirm, then to be good. So let me put in my password. Okay, it has been successful. I just did that. I just put my password, and now it has been successful. I just bought a 100 Dodge machine. Now how can we find out where it is? We just need to click on my machine above, which is above over here. Click on it, my machine. You can see my machine is already available and it's running already. So You can see it over here. It's written, boldly written, running. So my machine is available. It has run for 0 hours already, so it's still fresh and new. So that's how it works. Now excuse me. Now I think that's all for now. I'm going to be showing you how you can also make some extra cash with this platform. This is a long-term platform, just like the DSP, so this is a nice one for you to use your your share link, your referral link, to make some extra bucks with this. Now this is what you're going to do. All you need to do is come over to share. You click on share, then you copy your link, which is over here. You copy it this way, then you can also read here to understand how you're going to be earning from your referral program. Everything is detailed here, so you can go ahead and enjoy whatever you're seeing here. Take the advantage to enjoy this. So what we need to do now is wait till I could mine a little bit, then I'll make withdrawals for you to see, but I'm not going to be doing that now. I think I'll do another video showing you how to withdraw from this platform. So guys, if you want to join us and use this same platform, the link is in the description. Go down below, click on it, and take advantage of it yourself. And if you use the DSP, the last time I posted it, if you joined it, let me know in the comments what you think about the platform, the DSP platform. What how many profits you've made from it, how much profit you've made from it. Just let me know how you see the platform in the comment below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what I just showed you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share also with others, with your friends and others to see. All right guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.